name is Luis Cardona. I am 37 years old. I live in Mamatoco. I study environment management and UNAP. My hobby is reading, listen to music, go to the park, and walking every morning in headhunt, battle with my son, take him to the school, work, wash, cook, and study in university. I go to much with my wife and my son and go out to play in the park.